Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In how many ways can 4 students and 4 teachers be seated on a bench if the students are to be together? Now consider this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 people. S1, S2, S3, S4, T1, T2, T3, T4. SS are students and Ts are teachers. Now all the students have to be together all the time. So we can consider all of them as one quantity, that is one person, and let's see, we can have this as S, T1, T2, T3 and T4. Now teachers and students can change their places in this way: T1, S, T2, T3, T4. So there are 5 factorial different ways to seat 5 people as above. Now we have considered all the students to be one person, but these 4 students can change their seats amongst each other. That means that I can have something like this: S2, S1, S3, S4, T1, T2, T3, T4. Also I can have T1, T3, S1, S4, S3, S2. I can have all the possible combinations in this way. So it is we can have these combinations multiplied to 5 factorial. Students, 4 students can change their places amongst themselves in 4 factorial ways. Okay, now we have to consider all of their seating arrangements together. That's why we multiply total number of ways students and teachers can sit together considering given condition is nothing but multiplication of these two. So that is 5 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial, which is equal to, we know 5 factorial is 120 and 4 factorial is 24. So the answer is 2880. Let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option A. 2880 ways